fact is, there is a way to do this, and there's a right way to do it, and a fast way to do it, and there's a wrong way to do it, and a slow way to do it.
Mark takes the time to go through individual deals with us, and a real deal at that, one that he actually transacted. So nothing beats walking through a real deal.
How to get started, how to go big fast, how to find good deals, so it's finding the right deal.
Being able to have the analyzer at our disposal and having real life examples, being able to show what a good deal looks like as opposed to maybe a not so good a deal, gives you real life examples, which is key.
And he did a 80 unit deal in November. It's a 168 unit deal right now under contract, and that's all in 6 months.